Monile Mosa. Tampokelerani. On this channel, Chitumbuka na Loreni, I support you to learn Chitumbuka language. Chitumbuka is spoken in Malawi and in other neighboring countries like Tanzania, Zambia, Congo, and also Zimbabwe. So, in this video, we are exploring. What are we exploring? Farm animals. How could I forget that? Yeah. So, without wasting much of your time, let's get right into it. Okay, so farm animals, Pachitumbuka, tikuti viveto. In Chitumbuka, we call it viveto. Viveto. This is GO, my handwriting. You need to bear with me. Cattle. I don't know if people know cattle, but it's ng'ombe or ng'ombe. Can end with an I, which is cattle, cow. Yeah? Cattle herding, kulisha ng'ombe. The process of taking cattle out, taking it for grazing, that process to kulisha. So the person who lishas ng'ombe, we call them mulisha wa ng'ombe. It will start with M, mulisha, meaning the person. Kulisha is the job itself. Ayakoji, ayakolisha ng'ombe. Where has he gone? Kolisha ng'ombe. Has gone to his herding cattle. Goat, mbuzi. This is a short video, I hope. Pigs, nkumba. Chicken, nkuku. Sheep, mbelele. Nkuku yanakazi, nkuku yanarumi. Nkuku yanakazi, oro, tambara. Tambara is a roaster. Pigeons, nkunda. I love nkunda. Oh my God. When I go to my village, when I go home, I mean home, they cook me this. They will roast it. Oh my God. And I eat it with insima. Ah. I forget even that in this world there's death because the food is so nice. It's like my signature. When I go home, it's not chicken. Chicken can be the following day, but the day of arrival, it has to be pigeons. I eat pigeons. But here in UK, they don't eat pigeons. They are everywhere, like mad. All right, ducks. I guess it's to do with different beliefs, really. Just like some people don't eat pigs because of beliefs. Some people we love pigs. Some people don't eat we don't eat dogs. Some people it's they're delicate. Some people eat snails. We don't. So yeah, it is what it is. It depends on where you are in the world and the culture you are brought up in and what people believe. Some people eat snakes. To some of us we're like, nah, I can't be eating snakes. Some of us will eat same. What else do I eat? Yeah, we eat a certain type of ants that come from an anthill. We call them mbulika. And I hear also people insinuating, oh, you are eating ants. Of course I am eating ants. Okay. So hey ho, ducks, baka. Baka, singular, mabaka, plural. Baka, limoja, baka. Baka rani na yakoche? Taliona ha. Where has my baka gone? We haven't seen it. Busy, njuchi. Hey, njuchi, they once beat me. My whole face was swollen. We were going to fetch water from a different well. I don't know what was wrong with our usual. So we're going to a different well, which was far. I think in the dry seasons, water can be scarce sometimes. So you go to the well that is deeper or the well that supplies water throughout. So that well you pass through there was a huge tree. And inside that tree, there were bees. So we knew that there were bees because we passed that place when we were going to our fields. We had fields far from our home, some fields. But yeah, so someone threw a stone before I passed. So in my head, I was like, oh, I can still run through it. No, the bees ran faster than me. So by the time I arrived, they were just covered me up, really. I didn't know that bees, as small as they are, they can get that angry and cause my whole body was soaring. They tried to remove, the bee when it stings you, it leaves something. But my grandma still took me to the hospital because my eyes, I couldn't see. The eyes were closed up. She still took me to the hospital so they could just check or give me medication or anything like that. But they just asked if they have removed everything, because that's what they said. That was what's needed. Everywhere I was bitten, they tell us that that sting thing that stays in needed to be removed. Mhm. Oh, since that day, I don't think I passed that road again because it was just right. The big tree was right on the middle, on the side of the road. So when you're passing, if you're quietly, it's okay. But someone deliberately threw a stone on it. You see some behaviors you never understand, but people are always like that. Always surprise you. Like, how would how would you do that when you know everyone else is coming and you deliberately? But people do that. So see, um, teke mukundembo. The teke that we eat, we call it mukundembo. The one you eat on Christmas. Rabbit, kalulu. Rabbit, I never knew that we eat rabbit until when I grew up, my brother was keeping rabbits and I tasted it once. In my head, when I was eating it, felt like I'm eating a cat. So I didn't enjoy it. I never ate it again because in my head, I'm like, so like a cat. Chick, mwana wa nkhuku. Mwana is a baby. Nkhuku is chicken, like we already looked. So mwana wa nkhuku means chicken's baby. We don't have ways. Anapiye. Mwanapiye, yeah. Mwanapiye, meaning a chicks, yeah. Piye, Piye. So the word has come. For Nkanga, donkey, I couldn't find. My subconscious mind could not remind me if there's a Chitumbuka word for donkey. I doubt it because they are very rare. We used to see them, but occasionally, when you see a donkey eating grass somewhere, you know that maybe it's related to foreigners, not just foreigners, but white people. Yeah, but they were not common. So I don't, I tried to think, did we call donkey as a different name? Or it was just still a donkey? I think donkey. So you wouldn't be wrong to still call a donkey a donkey. Let me stop share because, okay. Like I said, that it was a short video, but thank you for being here. And I also ask for a favor, please. If there's something that you are learning from the videos, please subscribe so that YouTube can help with the algorithm. And if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. I would appreciate. And yeah, hit the notification bell so you can get a notification each time I put out a video. As you know, we are on a journey of making 90 videos over 90 days, and we started on the 26th of January 2026. Probably the 90 days will finish in May, right? February, March, April. Oh, no, April. Somewhere there, maybe. We'll see. We'll see. Because now 1 month has gone. End of February will be 2 months. End of March will be 3 months. Okay. Let me see. This is end of February. Sorry. What am I saying? February, March, April. End of April. Yeah. But yeah, we are in our second month now. By the time this video will be out, remember to watch this, but also those who haven't subscribed, can you click on this one? Please, this one here. Click on it to subscribe. Thank you so much. I would appreciate. Naruto. Naruto here. Bye. Bye. Remember to click here to subscribe.